Hello everyone. Let me check if it is connected. Hi everyone. So I decided to make a video regarding the market. Basically today I had a stream in Sergi and I already talked about my thoughts that there are several possibilities how market can react. Let's go to Bitcoin. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. So this was Bitcoin was here during the stream, and I thought that people can scalp long it and keep it until $98,000, where we can expect some strong reaction. But also I thought that it's important to see a breakout above this resistance line that I put here on the chart. So basically, Bitcoin is not giving any chances for proper pullback to catch along. So here you should either like sit in front of the laptop and just take it in a market long and just um, manage your risk management and put wide stop losses um, just in case. Or just don't put stop loss at all, because here the trend is super strong and we can see now breakout. I will not be surprised if Bitcoin will consolidate and keep the price, will push the price higher. Um, let's go to other chart. So what do we have here? So basically, this was our resistance zone area, right? It was a choppy consolidate. Now we have a breakout, and of course, no. Let's do this one better. So yeah, next stop gonna be $100,000, 704. This is what I'm expecting to see. Probably it can touch even 103,000. Where I would want to see some bearish reaction, you know. So after that, market can give us some correction at the least towards to $90,000, $91,000, because here we have a lot of empty spaces left, like here FAG, right? Here even FAG. So my interest zones are still the same. If you remember from this chart, I still expect price to come here. Here, of course, I will update it a bit later once Bitcoin finally finds its resistance, like proper resistance. Okay, so right now it is bullish. I'm not shorting, by the way. I had a short, I got stopped, and I was just watching. I said only if there will be like proper not strength, but the opposite, weakness on the chart. On the Zen, I will short it. Otherwise, I wanted too long, but market is not giving me too long. Like if I would trade just for myself, I would enter the position and DCA somewhere in the middle if the price will correct a bit, you know. But since I'm sharing it with people around, I cannot act like this not responsibly, you know. So yeah, this is the next target. After that, we will see what the price will do. If it will again do this kind of consolidation, then expect another push higher. But it's another story. First, let's see what price will do here. So I'm not shorting anything. If there will be any pullback on lower time frame, like 1 hour, maybe I will catch a long. But so far, I'm without long position on Bitcoin. Now let me quickly talk about Bitcoin dominance. What I was talking about Bitcoin dominance. So it's coming to this 65 area and looks like it will do a breakout. There are two news, bad and good. Usually, like Bitcoin dominance also goes up when Bitcoin goes also up. It means that the interest in Bitcoin is much higher than on other coins, I would say, on altcoins. And also that's why the dominance is going upwards. And I would honestly still, I would not be surprised to see the dominance at around 70, only if now dominance will do a fake out, and then it will start declining. Then this will be your alt season that everyone was waiting for. Then, do you remember this chart, Total 3 versus Bitcoin? So do you remember about this area? It is slowly coming to our biggest interest zone. So I have good news for you. I hope that first of all, I hope that you watched my video. Let me go to YouTube. By the way, I'm again sick. This time because of my daughter. So here I shared 2 videos regarding altcoins to buy spot. Only 50 people could watch it. I hope that you bought altcoins. That date was 4 days ago. Since that day, already most alts pumped significantly. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. I think it's still not late to catch a long, buy spot. Then Ethereum, Bitcoin, nothing. I said that it looks interesting. What about this situation? So first of all, I had my shorts open on altcoins, but I see this strength in Bitcoin. Let me talk about TIA. TIA I had short. I took nice profit. Now I opened long. I explain why. Oh no, I will explain why I decided to switch to long. First of all, of course, Bitcoin itself. Let me go to Bitcoin. So what do we see? We see definitely a strength. Then look at this indicator. Looks like it's preparing to give a momentum. We can see that even on 12-hour RSI is flipping above 70. So what Bitcoin could do? Bitcoin could do some chop, and continue going up. Meanwhile, Bitcoin dominance is about to face this resistance. So I decided to take swing long positions. Let me talk about better Ethereum. So what do we have on Ethereum? I was talking about Ethereum today as well, that if the price will hold this 1,817, then it will be interesting. Then most probably the price will continue going higher. And about these targets, I also talked about them previously during the stream. I think I shared in one of the streams on YouTube. Then let me delete this. Probably what else I saw? So 6 hour, it also bounced from this FVG. Then look at this 8 hour close. 8 hour looks super bullish. So basically we had, it looks like this bull flag pattern. So basically we had this long consolidation. Price was many times rejecting from this area, right? And so it did a breakout. Then it came to this resistance zone, which comes to 1817. Price retested this zone and bounced. And in 44 minutes, there will be 8 hour close. Candle looks healthy and it looks bullish. So it bounced. It's about to close bullish, and I'm expecting the price to continue to go higher, the same as it did here. For example, April 30, we can see this bullish close. You know, the price was declining first and bounced, then gave us this beautiful candles, and 1, 2, 3. We had three green candles. So 1, 2, 3. We can have two other candles also green. And also I would want to see, I not want to see, but I'm expecting to see the price to come and touch this FVG over here, this FVG. So I have this area which I'm expecting. Of course, it will not be right away, but probably something like this. Probably we'll see something like this. And SP 500 so far looks, honestly, SP 500. Just a second. Yeah, it looks strong. It definitely looks strong. Probably it will come to this 2-weekly FVG. Not even this level will hold it. Let me delete all this noise. This is not relevant anymore. I don't want to have it all. I think the price will not come to touch to feel that what was the name, gap, because here it has a gap over here, but I think it will just continue going higher at least till this 2-weekly FVG. Let me go to monthly. Yeah, and here we have this monthly FVG. So a bit more to go up, a bit more to go up, and then maybe it will reject. I will highlight this. So what do we have here as well? We can see that this 2-weekly FVG comes to this resistance zone and to this daily FVG. So let me highlight it like this. I will put here this red box. Okay. And I will put the price, not price, but the line. And I will set an alarm. So once the price comes here, it can reject and probably reject, and either it will consolidate and then will go up, or it will reject, consolidate, and then go down. This will be a question mark area for us. But today, like in 5 or 41 hours, will be a weekly close. So far, it looks pretty strong. I bet there are a lot of people trying to short, but I think it will just liquidate all shorts. Week so far looks weak. TZA, do you remember this chart? On TZA, I was talking about this area. We have some EMA there, yeah, 200 EMA, and we can see that it's breaking down. So next stop gonna be this zone. So I will also set an alarm here. I will set several alarms here because it might not just come exactly to this level, but maybe a bit higher, and then start reversing. This will be another for me zone to watch, and if it will show us strength, this will be the moment when SP 500 will start showing weakness. So sorry that I'm just randomly going through this old charts. Sorry, I had to answer the call. So what I want to say, yeah, another thing that what I saw right now, not right now, but recently. So look at this chart, it's USD dominance. Yes, it is holding above like strong support lines, but look at this chart. We can see that on 3D, on 2D, look at the RSI. on daily, on weekly. Okay, it still has time to for the weekly close. Like we still have 3 days almost, but 3D itself already shows us this uh, rejection from the middle. Like here we can see that RSI flipped below 50, then it is retested, now rejected, and looking down, right? Which I expect that the price, like 4 hour, the price will break below this support line and will come to this area, 4.83, or to this green box from where we can see strong bounce, a significant bounce, to test like other levels. And on RSI, I would want to go just a bit lower, because here right now it looks like it wants to can push more down, and then what else? So US dominance rejected from this 4 hour FEG as well. In 34 minutes, we will see the close. Then on 12 hour, we can see that momentum is about to come, another momentum. So I think that US dominance will just a second, will go a bit lower before giving any significant correction. But of course, I think it could take time. Like it will chop on 1 hour or on lower time frames before giving this push lower. What can else? It can do like this, So we still have 33 minutes. 3 minutes. Let's see how it's gonna close. Most important, it should not break above this 15-minute 200 EMA. And if it will reject, it will be a good sign. So far, 8 hour looks pretty weak here, and here 8 hour looks pretty strong, even on this charts as well. Even not only 8 hour but 4 hour, we can see that how price is consolidating. Here also ADA, it flipped above the middle. Then here a link is doing almost the same pattern as Bitcoin, this consolidation, and I'm expecting a breakout. If we go to 8 hour time frame, we can see that it is in the middle of 200 EMA, so we just need some time to see a breakout, and I would want to see the price somewhere here to take this highs, Then XRP is showing this crazy long consolidation, and I think that it looks like it will give a breakout rather than it will go down now. Also, we can see here RSIs above the middle, some like similar situation as it was here or here, for example. Right here, it already retested this 50 EMA right now. Just need some patience, and I think that it will continue to push higher, some consolidation. And then Popcat, I would want to see it a bit lower, but if it will keep consolidating here above this 100 EMA on daily time frames, then maybe it will just keep pushing higher. And then what else? Just just going through some alts I want to see. MCAD looks interesting. It flipped to 100 EMA. But on 3D, it's still below 200. Let's see, it needs to give this kind of push to go up. So let's go back to lower time frame. Sorry again, I had a call. So what do we have right now? What do we see right now on Bitcoin? So it pumped, rejected, and dumped. Now let's zoom out and let me turn off this noise that we have right now here. And let me show you this pattern, let's say. So we had this consolidation, right? This kind of rising flag, or how it's called in English, this pattern, a bullish flag, when the price consolidates and then gives a breakout. So right now, important to have a close above this line, which will be a confirmation that the price just came to retest it, and it will continue to go to push higher. So yeah, it's classic like bullish trend that we currently see. I didn't catch long, but it's okay. As I said many times before, I don't have any FOMO or anything. Like, I don't really care if I missed some position, some trade setup. It's not something dramatic for me. So right now, 8-hour close would be perfect to see, of course, above 97,283, like above this resistance zones. It would just confirm that the trend is strong. And the next 8-hour candle should be bullish as well. Like, it should continue to go higher, in my opinion. Yeah, even if I put FVGs, we can see that it's above 8-hour FVG. On 6-hour, it already retested. Yeah, we have right now this kind of strong bullish move. Market makers don't want people to catch a long, like a proper long. That's why they're not giving a correction. And also, market makers is trying to liquidate shorts, because I bet that a lot of people are trying to short this coin, hoping that it already came to its top, to its strong resistance. But no, it's just keeping going up. Here. This is what we have right now. So don't go against the trend. This is it for now. I will try to share more updates maybe on Sunday, when I see weekly, closer to the weekly close, the situation in the market. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I think I talked about everything. Sorry that this was just super quick. I was talking just non-stop. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please support, send some likes, share this video. You can help me to grow with using my referral links. It will help me so much, you can't even imagine. So yeah, please show me some support and love, and see you. Bye bye.